Good morning, friends. Today is the 17th of February, and I'm Shuchi Rungta presenting you the morning market update. Well, friends, Nifty yesterday gained 20 points over the day to close at 18,035. In spite of a positive gap up opening, it made the high in the first half an hour and constantly slided down throughout the day. We yesterday clearly mentioned the importance of 18,060 and the prices failed to close above that. Bank Nifty was the main spoiler, which was the top loser amongst all sectors. It tested the budget high at the opening and slipped down immediately, closing at the lowest. IT sector was the top gainer yesterday, giving a fresh breakout above its previous swing high of 31,100. From a positional medium term setup, it looks the best in class. Technically, the market closed above the 18,000 mark again, but the follow up actions by the bulls went completely missing. Well, it is clear that the bulls are not in the hurry to get back, and 17,900 will act as an immediate support to work with. We will keep a close watch on today's closing, and only a close above the 18,060 may take the markets gradually up to 18,200 levels in the next couple of sessions. Coming to the macroeconomic factors, the dollar index has gained strength at 104.2 levels. Crude oil continues its sideways trend between 72 and 80 zone. US indices sharply fell yesterday, closing near the lows, losing around 1.5%. The main reason was the unexpectedly strong inflation data and a drop in weekly jobless claims, which added to the fears that the US Fed shall keep rising interest rate to tame the high prices. The PPI data month on month came as 0.7% increase versus a minus 0.2% fall in the previous month. SGX Nifty trades approximately 100 points down currently, indicating a lower opening. To conclude, yes, there are stock specific opportunities in the market as individual stocks are performing. And to know which stocks, you can log into StockEdge Social to get well researched stock recommendations and market insights by our market experts. So, for broader markets, we need to keep a close watch on the today's closing level. Levels for today, Nifty supports will be seen at 17,900 and 17,800. Resistance 18,060 and 18,135. Bank Nifty support is seen as 41,150 and 40,650. Resistance will stand at 42,000. Thank you.